Arrive in style with this Kia 2019 Rio S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6L-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 130 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and center console, full with covered storage. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.